Hey y'all, it's Rita Mae June, and I'm done with my shampoo process. Rinsed it for a while because it seemed like it just wouldn't stop being any shampoo in there. So I rinsed it for a while, and oh, it felt so good, you guys, to put some water on my hair like that. It's been up in this towel roughly 5 minutes or so with a t-shirt. And this is what I have. It seemed to have held up perfect, you guys. So, Alright, so all I'm about to do now is just do my moisturizing and filling routine. I posted before when I spray my hair with the conditioner and water mixture, and then follow that up with some oil. And then I'm going to go through with some mousse, cut away any unruly pieces. But that's it. This is how the hair is looking after shampoo. My scalp is the bomb, clean. The hair looks fine. It's a little frizz, but it's not a whole lot of frizz. Show you how the back is looking. So how the back is looking. Why my camera just looks super, the color look crazy. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize it. Moisturize my hair, cut away any flyaways, and that's it, you guys. So wash was a success with this style. It is still pretty wet. I'm thinking if I should go sit on the dryer on low just for a little bit, just to get my hair dry, but I'll probably just let it air dry. Alright, so there we go, you guys. A success. So if you have any questions or anything, please leave them down below. And I'll talk to y'all later. Alright.